Hello. Tonight, let's travel to a quiet Japanese village at dusk and listen to the song of the evening cicadas. Our first word means evening.
Yuugata, Yuugata.
Let's hear it in a sentence. The evening sky is dyed red.
夕方の空が赤く染まります。
As the sun dips below the mountains, a cool breeze sweeps through the village. The daytime heat fades, and a new sound begins. Our next word means cicada.
セミ、セミ。
Let's hear it in a sentence. I can hear the voices of the cicadas.
セミの声が聞こえます。
These are the Higurashi, the evening cicadas. Their song is not a harsh buzz, but a clear, ringing melody that echoes through the trees like tiny bells. Our next word means sound.
音、音、音、音。
Let's hear it in a sentence. A beautiful sound echoes.
美しい音が響きます。
In Japan, the song of the Higurashi brings a feeling of gentle sadness. It tells us that the summer day is over and autumn is slowly approaching. Our next word means summer.
夏、夏。
Let's hear it in a sentence. I feel the end of summer.
夏の終わりを感じます。
The village grows dark. Paper lanterns are lit, casting a warm glow on the wooden houses. The cicadas sing their lullaby, inviting everyone to rest. Our last word means peace or tranquility.
平和、平和。
Let's hear it in a sentence. Peace visits the village.
村に平和が訪れます。
Let the song of the evening cicadas wash away the worries of the day. Close your eyes and drift into a peaceful sleep. Good night.
おやすみなさい。